If you've ever come home from a trip and realized the little details are already starting to blur, a travel journal is such a beautiful way to hold on to them. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the travel journal setup that I bring with me on vacation. I love having a journal with me when I travel because it gives me a place to save the little details. Now that means I'm going to need pockets and places in my journal. This leather journal has the classic traveler's notebook feel. What I love most is that I can reuse it again and again. The blank journal inserts can be changed out, so I can use it at home, I can bring it on a trip, and I can just set it up however I need. The added pockets are perfect for holding little bits from the trip, like business cards from the restaurants we visited, small notes, receipts, anything that lays flat that I want to save. I have a calendar insert that's been very useful when traveling, so I can track plans, reservations. I've also added a few personal touches. I love this hummingbird charm and this floral bookmark. My Sharpie highlighters are a must-have to mark dates, favorite memories, anything that I want to stand out without bleeding through. My absolute favorite travel journal item is this Kodak mini printer. I don't go anywhere without it. It's small enough for travel, it's rechargeable, and it doesn't use ink. It creates these little sticky photo prints that you can add directly to your journal. That takes it to the next level for me because now my journal isn't just words on a page, it's a keepsake with photos, notes, memories, little pieces of my trip. So travel journaling doesn't have to be complicated or perfect. These are the things that I like to use. It's a meaningful way to slow down, remember the details, and then bring the trip home with me so that I can savor it in the future. Don't forget to shop the links for the products you saw me using and follow WTI for more travel tips.